Hi guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to see the sum function in DAX, and we will also see how we can use this function in our report. So I have a business scenario where we are using our electronic store data set. So consider we have a store manager. So he is asking us to calculate the total revenue from all orders for the store, and we will see how we can use this function inside Power BI and solve this business question. So I'm inside Power BI now. So if I go to my table view, so this is my sales table, and you can see that we have a column called revenue. So this has the details of revenue for each orders, and we want to use this revenue column and sum up all the revenues for all orders. So I will start writing the DAX. I'll create a new measure, and let me give a title like total revenue. So I'm going to use my sum function to sum up my revenue column. So let me give my column. So inside sum function, I'm going to use my revenue column so that it will give me the single value of total revenue. So this is my DAX, and my DAX is created now. So my total revenue measure is created, and I'll drop this measure inside canvas. I'll change to card visual. So now you can see that we have the total revenue for all orders in our store. So this is how we can use our sum function, and I can also use other visuals so that it shows the value in the visual. So in the visual, I can also use my product category so that it gives the total revenue for each category. So for TV, we have the total revenue here, and similar to that, for each category, we have the total revenue. So this is how sum function is used inside Power BI, and I hope now you know how the sum function is used inside Power BI. So thanks for watching this video.